The reason your biggest desires haven't landed yet is not because you're doing something wrong. It's because a part of your system doesn't feel safe enough to have them yet. Manifestation is not about what you want, it is about what your body feels safe having. Welcome to Div Sanctuary, welcome to my channel. This is Divanshi, and today we will be diving deep into the topic of manifestation and how important it is to truly embody the energy and feel safe having it, having what you truly desire. So let's dive into the video. Your nervous system has one job, and it is survival. And the way it learns what's safe and what's unsafe is through lived experiences, through pain, through repetition, and through what your environment has trained you to expect. For example, if love meant abandonment for you in the past, then your body may see intimacy as a threat and not gift. If wealth was a topic of stress, of anger, of control in your family, then your subconscious might link wealth with control and not freedom. If you were shamed for shining too brightly, then visibility may trigger danger and not celebration. There's a reason why people often say that as soon as they get close to what they want, they ruin it. Truth is, they're not ruining it. You are not ruining it. You are simply protecting yourself from it. Your body's language is safety. The body doesn't speak affirmation. It speaks emotions. It speaks sensation. It speaks through that tightening in your chest when things go too well. And it speaks through that urge to run, hide, and self-sabotage when you are about to expand. This is called subconscious dysregulation, and it happens when your mind says that I want this and your body says no, we are not ready to have it yet, and the body always wins. So how do I make it safe to receive? This is where true spiritual integration begins, and this is the actual healing work which is done before manifestation. The first step to making it safer to receive is through regulating before you receive. When you start nervous system regulation practices, even just for 5 minutes a day, you're teaching your body that it's safe to feel good, it's safe to have, and I don't have to earn rest through exhaustion. Practices like somatic breath work, through orienting, which is noticing your surrounding when you feel unsafe, grounding through movement, which is very intentional and you're actually present while moving, placing your hand on your chest and telling yourself that it's okay to have this. Practices like these will rewire your subconscious through felt safety, not just intellectual logic. Second step is to unlearn what you were taught about receiving. Many of us were conditioned to survive and not receive, especially women, especially sensitive women. We were taught to be accommodating, to maintain peace. So when we want more peace, visibility, money, we are not just manifesting the thing. We are learning to feel safe around having it. We are learning to be the version of ourselves who feel safe enough to have them, who does not feel guilty having them. This leads us to the third step, which is visualize not just your desire, but a nervous system that feels safe enough to have them. Don't just imagine the love of your life. Picture you relaxed in your body and trusting that it won't be taken away. Don't just picture financial abundance. Picture you spending, resting, receiving without any shame or guilt. Your nervous system needs a preview of peace. It can't receive what it hasn't felt before. If your dreams haven't arrived yet, it's not because they're far away, it's because your body hasn't yet been shown that it's safe for them to stay. When you give yourself that safety gently and consistently, everything else will start to land in your life. And it's only because you are finally on your side and you're not fighting against yourself. If this landed somewhere deep in you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while you're here, and I'll make sure to bring such topics again for you to dive in and learn more about spirituality and manifestation. Because I'm not here to make you manifest harder. I'm here to make you receive softer. This is a space for women coming home to their nervous systems, to their desires, the version of themselves that truly feels safe having what they truly desire and what they wish to manifest in their life. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.